Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Cheer from Masagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatingin natin na nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 23 hanggang September 30 for the sign of Libra. So, Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya naman ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a journey din lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, ano ang pinakamensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay? For the sign of Libra. My God. Oops. There is a page of cups. Listen to your intuition. No, there's a new love life above. And of course, offer, no? Na makinig ka sa intuition or instinct mo. At the same time, there's a death card. There's an ending and a new beginning, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na matatapos na at may mga bagay na magsisimula na. At some of them are there's a transformation. And of course, there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wishes coming true or wishes granted, no? May mga bagay na matutupad na at unting-unti na isa sa katuparan. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a Hermit card. There is a soul searching and of soul enlightenment. Na magbibigay ng kaliwanagan na, that's it. I keep it. Go for it. Ganon. Kumbaga nakukuha mo na yung mga bagay na ano man nung hinahangad mo unti-unti. No? At the same time, there's a Seven of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities or there's a lot of options. No? Or something confusion. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a King of Swords. There's a truth, no? Kumbaga, naguguluhan ka kasi alam mo yung katotohanan o alam mo kung ano yung much better na napipiliin mo, no? Itong opportunities na to or maging wise ka, di ba? At the same time, there's a Five of Pentacles. Kumbaga, makinig ka sa intuition mo na kailangan mong protectionan mo about sa finances mo. Baka mag-tendency, there's a financial loss. So, what is the Death card? And of course, there's a King of Pentacles. Okay, there's a secure. And of course, about sa finances, and of course, sinasabi dito na magkakaroon ka ng transformation. No? Kumbaga, ito na yung katapusan at magkakaroon na ng simula at pasabog na transformation. And of course, there's an Eight of Swords. No? Kailangan mong kumawala sa negativity para unti-unti mo, kumbaga, marami ka namang achievement or marami ka naman nakukuha, diba, ng mga bagay na gusto mo. Kasi there's a negativity dito na kailangan mo lang pakawalan, yung mga negative thoughts or negative attitudes, diba? What is the Hermit card? And of course, there's a Magician, there's a manifestation. May mga bagay na makukuha ka, no? You have a willpower. You can create your anything you want, no? Kayang-kaya mo maggawa ng isang bagay na alam mong may isa sa katuparan mo, no? What is the Seven of Cups? Okay, there's a lovers, no? Kumbaga, there's a love life or there's some lot of opportunities pagdating sa inyo ng asawa mo, no? Maraming oportunidad na papasok sa inyo. And of course, pagdating sa jowa, ganon. At the same time, there's the word card. There's a truth behind dito sa word na sinasabi ng trouble. No? Parang magkakaroon ng kaisipan ka dito na tanggapin ko kaya tong offer na to sa ibang bansa or something, di ba? Kung ngayon, kumbaga, magkakaroon kayo, or baka yung asawa mo na sa ibang bansa, susunod ka na doon, diba? May ganong eksena rin dito. And of course, there's a trouble, lakas ang energy na trouble. What is the Page of Cups and the Five of Pentacles? And of course, there's an Eight of Wands. There's a fast communication or fast movement, no? Kumbaga, may email messages or offer that brings you, kumbaga, resource of income. Baka madagdagan yung resource of income mo dito. What is the Death card and the King of Pentacles? Para makakaalis ka na dito sa pagkagipit eh. What is the Death card in the King of Pentacles? And of course, there's an Eight of Pentacles. Wow! Ay, may God, Angels number 888, oh. My God, 888 abundance. Kumbaga, there's a transformation talaga na magkakaroon ka na masaganang buhay dito. What is the Nine of Cups and the Eight of Swords? Kailangan mo lang kumawala sa negativity, sasagana ka. And of course, there's a Nine of Swords. Okay, sinasabi ng Nine of Swords dito na there's an anxiety or there's of fear. Alisin mo lang daw yung takot mo. There's a negativity talaga dito na parang pumapasok sa isip mo yung pangamba. No? Kaya hindi mo magawa yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Kasi natatakot ka. So, sinasabi dito, labanan mo tong fear and of course yung deception, anxiety mo. So, go overthink ka kasi. Kailangan mo pakawalan yan. Additional messages for the Hermit card. And of course, the Magician. There's a Ten of Pentacles. Wow! Long-term success and long-term investment. Di pasabog. 888 for abundance, no? Tapos bibiglang ka pa dito ng long-term investment and long-term relationship. There's a happiness. Gigigil ako sa'yo. Bininggo mo lahat, ha? What is the Seven of Cups and the Lovers, no? And of course, there's a Two of Swords. Oh! Mayroong naiinggit sa iyo at may manggugulo sa inyong dalawa ng person mo. Mag-ingat, ha? Kumbaga, meron ditong an ex or a person na kumbaga mayroong sumasagap o mayroong may extra sa relasyon. What is the King of Swords and the World card? And of course, there's an Eight of Cups. Apat na 80, ha? And then sinasabi sa ito na i-let go mo raw yung mga yung burden na to, yung pasanin or bigat ng responsibilidad na to, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito na i-let go mo, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito maging wais ka na ngayon. Kung alam mong hindi magsiserve sa'yo sa huli, pakawalan mo. Okay, what is the outcome? May goodness, ang ganda. Apat na 8 to, ha? And of course, there is a Five of Swords. Sabotage, no? Mag-ingat ka kasi wag ka nagbibigay ng information at mag-ingat ka baka kasi yung sinasabi na, yun nga, di ba? Yung baka ginigisa mo yung sarili mo sa sarili mo mantika. Mag-ingat yung gano'n. O kaya, kumuha ka ng bagay na ibubukpok mo sa ulo mo. Yun, yung burden na to. Mag-ingat, ha? Maging aware. Naku, ang ganda pa naman ng cards mo. And of course, there is a Queen of Cups. There is a healing. Magkakaroon ka daw ng healing dito. And of course, there is a Queen of Wands. Stability, control, confidence. Na kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo. And of course, there's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. Breakthrough. Kumbaga ito na yung, this is your moment, no? You are on the spotlight, diba? Nasa sa'yo na yung eksena na to, kaya galingan mo. With the Tower moment, there's a sudden changes, no? May pagbabagong mangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. So, nasa sa'yo kung paano mo, you can create eksena and you can, kumbaga, you can build and you can destroy, no? Kumbaga, yun pala yun. Kumbaga, ikaw yung makakagawa ng eksena mo kung sisirain mo o ikaw yung magsisilbing bubuo, no? Nasa sa'yo, nasa palad mo yan. Kumbaga may self-sabotage siya, ibig sabihin, ikaw yung may kagagawa ng pagkabuo o pagkasira mo, no? Nasa sa'yo yan. Kung pipiliin mo bang maging masagana o pipiliin mo bang maging wala, no? Ganon. So, what is the yin and yang? Or gusto mo bang bumalik sa mukhang ulikba? Ganon siya, parang ganon siya. Over sa mukhang alikma, di ba? So, what is the yin and yang oracle card? And of course, sinasabi dito, guys, there's a spy or someone spying on you. No? May sumusubaybay sa'yo dito. And of course, let's see. And of course, there's a detachment, no? Kumbaga, mayroon dito parang cold na or something na parang wala nang gana, ganun. Di ba? And of course, sinasabi rin dito, there's an ace of some of you, ha? Meron kang kaugnayan sa water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And of course, for the last, there's a growth, summer, no? Magkakaroon ka na expansion dito, no? Kumbaga, detachment, siguro kailangan mo nang kumawala, no? Sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa'yo. Sa alam mong, kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng sabotage sa sarili mo. So, let's see what is a love oracle card. What is the love oracle card? There's a cassette, no, replaying events. So, mag-ingat ka na, ha? Huwag mo nang balik-balikan na nakaraan. At the same time, I like you, or someone, fun flirting, no? Kumbaga may tao talagang merong gusto sa'yo, no? At the same time, there's a camera. Learn from the past. Matuto ka na sa nakaraan, diba? So, what is additional messages? What is additional messages? There's a failure. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo nakukuha o na may something na failure mo or rejection or mistake. Kumbaga, it's an opportunity na matutunan mo lahat ng bagay, ha? Siguro meron kang dyan makukuha ang aral. Basta matuto ka lang. At magsilbing aral sa'yo yung pagkakamali. And of course, there's a service, no? Kumbaga, some of you, kumbaga, nakakatulong ka sa ibang tao. Public servant, ganon. So, what is additional messages? There's a career change, no? Kailangan mo nang baguhin ang career mo. And of course, there's a heart desire. Kung ano talaga gusto ng puso mo, sundin mo. 'Di ba? And of course, there's a justice, no? May karma. May good karma and bad karma. Nasa sayo yan. Kumbaga, may hustisya dito. Yo? And of course, there's a your career brings fairness and protection to others who need your help. So, let's see what is the mythology. Take time to breathe out, no? Bigyan mo ng oras na pag-isipan o huminga ka na malalim, diba? And of course, a fiery climax approaches, no? Nasa exciting part ka na, T. Nasa magandang history ka na ng istorya, ganon. Yung nandun ka na sa kalagitnaan. And of course, there's a dream guide, no? Kumbaga, there's a guardian, may gumagabay sa'yo. And of course, there's a heart turn na there's a balance. Maging balanse ka. At the same time, there's an evolution information, no? Kailangan mong baguhin o mabago ng eksena dito. Evolution. Yung, kumbaga, kailangan ibang-iba ka na sa dating ikaw, ganon. So, let's see what is the chakra. And of course, there's, I told you, creation. Diba? Ikaw yung mag-create ng eksena mo. Kung ikasisira mo, ikaw uunlad mo. Nasa sayo yan. So, let's see. And of course, there's a perception, yung perspective mo sa buhay, no? At the same time, there's an enlightenment. Magbibigay sa'yo ng kaliwanagan to. Bibigyan ka ng kaliwanagan at lahat ng kasagutan. So, what is the energy? What is the energy? There's an attachment, no? Kumbaga, mabilis ka kasi ma-attach sa mga bagay-bagay. And of course, there's a door to romance, no? May pintuan talaga, no? Para sa pagbuhay, pag-ibig. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a contract. No, some of you, magkakaroon ka ng kontrata or bahay, something na pipirmahan mo, or kasunduan pagdating sa love life, no, baka contract by wedding, ganon. So, let's see what is the Raphael messages, their inner authority. Ikaw, bibigyan ka ni God or na ating Archangel Raphael ng authority magawa yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Kaya nga nasa sa'yo yung kung ano i-create mo Yung ikasisira mo o ikaw uunlad mo, nasa sa'yo yan. So, what is the romance angels? And of course, let your friends help you, no? Hayaan mo yung mga kaibigan mong tulungan ka, turuan ka, bigyan ka ng advices or sa mga ginagawa mo, no? What is Archangel Michael messages? And of course, write about your thoughts and feelings. So, ibig sabihin dito, sundin mo yung sinasabi ng isip mo at talaga ng puso mo. Keep your eyes on your target intention. No? Talagang tumuto ka kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo, kung ano talaga yung life purpose mo. At the same time, believe and trust. Maniwala ka at magtiwala ka. Hindi yan ibibigay sa ni God kung hindi mo kaya. No? Let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. And of course, judge not that you be the judge, no? Huwag mong husgahan na hindi mo kaya, no? Kung ayaw mong husgahan ka, 'di ba? Kumbaga ayaw mong mapunta ka sa eksena na 'yan, kumbaga huwag ka munang mag-expect or huwag ka munang magbitaw na salita na hindi mo kaya. Gawin mo. Parang ganun yung nasa-sense ko diyan. So let's see what is the angel's number. What is the angel's number? Messages. Angel's number. There's a 10. I am ingenious. You have a great leadership skill. Your mind is sharp and allow you to dream up ingenious ideas and organize all the details, then direct others how to carry things out. No, kaya mo maging leader, kaya mo magturo at kaya mo magbigay ng information sa ibang tao na makakatulong para sa kanila, no? May skills ka dyan. So, let's see what the additional messages of life. What is the messages of life? Beyond. So, let's see. Today, I lift my consciousness above old worldly illusions. I remember the power I have in every situation. I always have a choice in how I respond. Today, I choose to turn my thoughts towards God by focusing my awareness beyond the illusions of material world. I experience simplicity and peace. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na, kumbaga mas maganda na yung simple at kaya mo at yung kaya mo lang yung gagawin mo. Huwag ka mag-expect ng alam mong hindi na siya kumbaga unbelievable na, 'di ba, na magagawa mo. So sinasabi dito na mas maganda yung hindi sinasabi, yung ginagawa na lang, no? Para at least may sakatuparan mo. Lalo-lalo na yung mga bagay or mga pinapangako. Mas maganda na yung ginagawa kaysa pinapangako, no? So guys, this reading is a weekly gabay for the month of September 23 hanggang September 30 for the sign of Libra. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!